Hey guys, I just want to let you know that I've just launched my very first online dance course in collaboration with International Open Academy, which I'm super excited about. Not only do I teach some of the most popular dance moves, but I also dive into the most important dance topics like how to count and remember steps when dancing, how to improvise when you're on the dance floor, and how to match the dance steps to your personality. So this course is basically just packed with all my best tips and tricks that you need to know to become a better dancer, and you'll definitely be able to learn dances much faster after completing this course. I'm so happy that International Open Academy is doing this collaboration with me because they have the best platform out there for these kinds of courses. I guess that's why they have over 1 million students worldwide. Anyways, my course has just launched, so I'm giving you guys a huge launch discount, but it's only going to be for limited time. So click on the link in the description before it's too late. Alright, so thank you guys so much for your support, and hopefully I'll see you inside.